So much better. Yeah, I didn't go with the flame one. I probably should have to match the flames in the doors. And then the back panel. But honestly, I just didn't really want the flames there. I think it would be too distracting. And this just feels right. And no, I didn't hook the horn up. Like I said, I hit all the stuff behind it so that when I take it apart, I can do that. But there we go. Yeah, that looks so much better. Might be a little small. But it's the same size as the other one that was on it. Wherever I put it. What y'all think? I know it's definitely an improvement. Let me know. Comments.